My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Harward. Harward is the ransomware that may essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Now, before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without any troubles at all, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Harward ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computers, and very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. So this ransomware is called Harward because it encrypts files and appends this Harward extension to the file names. As a result, it is indeed impossible to use the data. The ransomware reveals this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery, but paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Now, what I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. Other browsers may be also damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is, by the way, initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in this trial mode. So click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to protect the files from being damaged, but it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Now, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but of course, my strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to the premium license, which will help you to effectively get rid of this ransomware and also to protect your data from all further ransomware or malware attacks. So wait until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. Then you will see the information about the threats, their locations, their names. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you choose premium license, which is a much better solution for getting your data protected. Please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.